Are you tired of missing meetings because your calendar shows the wrong time zone? Fix it in under 30 seconds. I'll show you exactly where to click to change your time zone in Google Calendar. Just follow these 5 simple steps. Start by clicking the gear icon in the top right corner to open the Settings menu. Then, go ahead and click on Settings from that drop-down. Now, in the left sidebar, click on Time Zone to open the time zone settings. Search for your preferred time zone and select it from the list. Once you click the time zone, your changes are saved automatically. No need to hit Save. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.